Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Azure Blob Storage files using Snapshots, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore Azure Blob Storage files using Snapshots, start by logging into the Azure portal. Navigate to the storage account that contains the blob you want to restore. Locate the blob service section on the left sidebar and click on Containers. Choose the specific container that holds the blob file you wish to restore. Once inside the container, find the blob file you want to restore. Click on the ellipsis icon next to the blob name to open the context menu. Select the Snapshots option from the menu. You will see a list of all available snapshots for that blob. Choose the snapshot you want to restore from the list. Click on the Restore button, usually located at the top of the snapshot list. In the Restore dialog, confirm the details of the snapshot you selected. You can select to overwrite the existing blob or create a new blob from the snapshot. After making your selection, click on Restore to initiate the process. Wait for the restoration process to complete, which may take a few moments. Once finished, you will receive a notification confirming that the restoration was successful. Go back to the blob list in the container to verify that your file has been restored. This restoration process allows you to recover files to a previous state effectively. Always check for the integrity of the restored file after the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.